Have you ever heard someone say, I am knowing the answer, or, she don't like ice cream? Sounds a bit off, right? But don't worry, it's a common mistake non-native speakers make. And that's exactly what we're here to fix today. Welcome to EduQuest Horizon, where we help you master English step by step. In today's video, we're going to dive into some action words or verbs that are commonly misused, and we'll learn the correct way to use them. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural and confident in your English conversations. Let's kick things off with a really common mistake, mixing up future tense with present continuous. You might hear someone say, I will run, but they're talking about something they're doing right now. If you're doing something right this second, use them or is with the verb ing form, like I am running. Present continuous tense is for actions happening now. We all love pizza, right? But we don't say, I am liking pizza. It's actually, I like pizza. Verbs like, know, and believe are called stative verbs. They describe emotions, thoughts, or states, and they don't use continuous tenses. So, no ing here. A lot of us trip up when talking about past events. If it already happened, we need to use the past simple tense. Instead of she plays the piano yesterday, the correct way is she played the piano yesterday. Easy, right? Just switch to the past form when you talk about something that's already done. Here's another big one. A lot of learners mistakenly say didn't went, but after didn't, the verb should stay in its base form, no matter what. So instead of he didn't went to the party, it's he didn't go to the party. Simple, right? Just remember, didn't doesn't need the past form again. This one's tricky too. For actions that happen regularly, like going to school every day, we use the present simple tense, not the continuous. So, instead of they are going, the correct sentence is they go to school every day. Easy fix, right? Here's one more. If you've been doing something over a period of time, like working somewhere since 2015, you'll want to use the present perfect continuous. So instead of I am working here since 2015, the correct way is I have been working here since 2015. It shows that you started in the past and are still doing it now. Let's quickly recap. For actions happening right now, use present continuous. For things that happened in the past, switch to the past simple. And remember, some verbs like know and like never go with ing. There you go. Now you know how to avoid these common mistakes and speak more fluently. Practice makes perfect, so try these out in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to EduQuest Horizon for more tips on mastering English. See you next time.